Well, hey everybody, today I got a special treat for you. For the very first time, a company has actually reached out to me and given me a product. Got no say-so in how I do the video, no say-so in what I say on the video. They just give me the product to review and check it out. So that's why you see that little paid promotion in the top left-hand corner of your screen. No money's changed hands, they didn't give me anything. It's just me and a microphone. So I got back here in the back, I'm sure you've seen several of my other videos, a Samson mic that I had to buy the boom arm for and everything. Hey, this one comes with a boom arm. And right now it's only 80 bucks. That's a pretty good deal. I think the Samson was around the same price, but then I had to pay 20 or 30 or $40. I can't remember exactly what it was. It's been a couple years back for the arm. So for 80 bucks, not too bad. And it comes in white. I think it's a couple dollars more. It kind of looks sharp. If you're one of these guys that's got the white PC, the white microphone would look real good with your setup. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it. We're going to check it out. We're going to install it and see how it sounds. DJI Mic Mini. So you can kind of see what I sound like right now. So we'll turn this off and we'll check all three of them, or check the other two, and see what it looks like. But let's right now, let's unbox it and see what it looks like on the inside. So got a pretty good box here. It's Fifine. It's spelled F-I-F-I-N-E, but per their official communication with me, it's pronounced Fifine. So the Fifine K688CT Dynamic Microphone. So I suppose it has pretty good range, has a USB connector, and XLR connector. So if you got the big setup with the music and everything, you can do that, or the podcast. This also you can, for some of you older guys and gals like me, that you need a good present for your grandchildren or something like that for Christmas or a birthday or something like that they can stream with and do their little Twitch streams and whatever else it is. This might be a good idea for you. So this is the box, real nice box. It's kind of premium looking. Open it up. My favorite thing, the instruction manual. So right now, before we do anything else, we'll file these away. Alright, we got that's packed kind of nice. Got a big old piece of foam. A couple rubber bands for whatever. There's your microphone. Let's pull that out, see what that looks like. It's metal. You got your gain and your headphone. There's your USB port, XLR connector. You got a mute button right here on the side in case you need to sneeze or cough. You got your microphone cover. So I've got a adjustable. That's pretty nice. Adjustable. So lay this over to the side. Got your clamp that fits on your table. That's nice. Whee! Alright. And your boom arm. Just about as good as anything you'll see on Amazon. There's your end that connects to the microphone. That's pretty nice. That's pretty cool. Got the color. That way you know exactly where you're doing with it. Even though kind of hard to put it another way, but anyway. Here's your cable. So USB-C on one side, USB-A, and USB-C. So, okay. Switches. And you know what? I think it's premium. This right here. See this? Why don't more companies do this? Put a real nice strap in there to keep your wires tidy. I mean, that's Velcro, super nice. It's got their branding on it. Nothing wrong with that. Advertise. That's not too bad. I really like that. All right, let's see if there's anything else in the box. Nope. All right, well, let's hook this up, see what it sounds like. Be right back. Well, hey everybody, I'm back. So I got the Fifine microphone set up, pretty easy. Got it just clamped to the table here. Super easy setup. I just got it plugged into my MacBook Air here just so I can do the recording. Sounds pretty good to me. What do you think? So right here I'm on about just right in front of the microphone. So we'll drop back to about 4 or 5 inches away. Maybe about a foot away. Back to the microphone. We'll go beside the microphone. Back in front of the microphone. And I'm speaking normally. I'm not trying to talk very loud or anything like that. Just talking normal. What do you think? Sounds pretty good. One of the things that I really like about the microphone is right here you got a little mute button. So if you need to hit that button right quick, if you got a sneeze or cough or you do too many ums like I tend to do, it'd be easy to hit it. So we're going to test that out. How about now? Can you hear me? For $80, this ain't a bad microphone. Be a really good gift for a kid or a grandkid. Heck, even for an old dude like me, I'd take it. With the XLR port on the back that allows you to hook it up to audio equipment, and then just the USB-C ease. To me, the ease of the USB-C wired connection makes it the most simple. You can just hook it up to your computer or your Mac or your PlayStation, and that kid can stream it on Twitch or be able to talk to his buddies. Or old dude can talk to his buddies when they play Modern Warfare. Does anybody play Modern Warfare anymore? Anyway, usually I just play NCAA football. I just like the football games myself. But anyway, what do you think about it? How do you think the audio sounds? I think it's pretty good. So if you're interested in it, the link will be in the notes below. So check it out. But until next time, we'll see.